Have you ever thought like a robot? Not one of those you install that doesn't work. I mean, one whose every decision is a 0 or a 1. There's no emotion in its work, only data and logic. A robot isn't afraid, it's not greedy, and it never says, "It's a shame I missed that position." So how can we turn off the emotion switch and become a robot? I've learned something deep down. If I've written down my decisions before the market opens, I make fewer mistakes in the heat of the moment. A study from the Behavioral Finance Institute shows that traders who draft their scenarios, including entry and exit points before the trading session begins, are 37% less likely to make emotional decisions. What does that mean? It means instead of deciding whether to enter mid-trade, everything is already determined. Either the market has reached your entry point or it hasn't. That's it, end of story. Do you plan or do you just jump right into the market? 90% of bad decisions in the market are made in the few seconds right before clicking the buy or sell button. Not because of poor analysis, but because there's no pause. An emotional pause means that before you execute any trade, you stop for just 5 seconds. You ask yourself, is this decision part of my plan? Or am I entering based on emotion? A study from MIT on over 1,200 traders found that those who paused for just a few seconds before executing each trade registered twice the net profit of the others. Do you think this simple technique can prevent emotional losses? The greatest traders don't decide fast, they just execute fast. The only difference is that one pause. If you want to trade like a robot, you have to think like one too. Robots don't do anything without a checklist. This is where a simple yet powerful tool comes in, the pre-trade checklist. We explained it fully in a previous video. You can find it right here. According to stats published on the Trading Psychology website, traders who use a checklist make 35% fewer emotional and impulsive trades. If you don't have a personal checklist yet, now's the time to start. And if you've already made one, write in the comments what items you've included besides the ones we mentioned. Let others learn from your experience. And if you want to trade like a robot, don't forget these 3 techniques. It takes time to learn, but the moment the market puts you under pressure and you take a position calmly, precisely, and without emotion, you'll understand why it's called cold-blooded trading. Which of these 3 techniques hit closest to home for you?